Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. We have a global audience joining us today. My name is Vijay Bhandari. I'm a Chief Operating Officer of Noesis Capital. Noesis Capital is India leading and the largest hotel investment advisory company, which deals in brand search, consulting and valuation, and buying and selling of hotels. We established in 2010, and in last 10 years, we have concluded more than 2,000 plus hotel assignments. On the behalf of Noesis Capital, I welcome you all in digital marketing and social media workshop. The today topic for masterclass is social media and digital marketing strategy for hotels and resort post COVID-19. For this masterclass, we have world leading marketing professional and internet influencer, Mr. Avijit Arya, founder of Internet Mogul, joining us from Canada. Avijit is an expert, authority, and institute when it's come to the social media and digital marketing. With this note, please welcome Mr. Avijit Arya. Avijit, thank you for your patience, and the floor is yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Vijay, and everybody in the Hotel Summit series for putting together such an amazing event. Everything from the beginning has been such nicely professionally done. It is definitely a time that we all need to sit together and understand how social media can impact our businesses and our own selves. Now, when it comes to hospitality and social media, I want to start by saying one thing. I started off with my own small hotel in Delhi, 68 rooms, and one small resort in Goa. So I'm a small hotelier myself. I also worked for a very short time at the Claridge's Hotel when I was growing up, and my dad was like, either you start working or get out of the house. So I started doing a little bit of work here and there. So in that sense, I've got a little bit of hotel experience. But in 2009, when I founded Internet Moguls as a digital marketing agency that now works with 700 hotels around the world, I understood what works for hotels, what doesn't work. I also understand hotels from a small hotelier's point of view, and I also like to critique hotel operations in terms of digital marketing from a digital marketer's lens. So I wear two hats, one of a hotelier and one of a digital marketer. Now, Vijay, what I've seen in the last 10 years is that lots have changed. There are some amazing panelists that you have,
Yeah,
because of whom the industry has learned a lot about revenue management, digital marketing, all of that.
sure.
But there is always scope for improvement. There is always scope for more. And in the last 10 years, the one thing that has not changed in digital marketing, largely, there are some people who are doing a great job, but largely what I feel has not changed. And I hope this situation that we're in today actually changes the way that we do digital marketing for hotels, which is to be able to understand that everything that you do on the internet allows you to build two things. One is a personal brand, me as a hotel owner, me as a hotel general manager, me as a chef, me as a front office manager, me as a bellboy. We are all personal brands today. We all have Instagram accounts, we all have a following, and today guests around the world for small, large, and very large hotels, chefs, restaurants everywhere, banquets, people are sending me Instagram DMs in my hotel as a to the chef, to the front office person, and not sending emails. So we must understand that the world has changed. Hotels should now allow personal brands inside hotels, which means the GM should spend, and this is my suggestion and recommendation. Many people around the world are doing it. Many Indian GMs have now become, semi-mini celebrities because they've understood that the internet works for them to become influencers. Once you are an influencer, people like to work with you. हिंदी में एक चीज मैं हमेशा कहना चाहता हूँ, इन द होटल इंडस्ट्री हम लोग ब्रांड्स पे बहुत पैसा लगाते हैं और ब्रांड्स के ऊपर ब्रांड वैल्यूज, ब्रांड गाइडलाइंस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट मेरा एक मानना ये है, लोग कंपनी के लोगों के साथ काम नहीं करते, लोग लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं.
Very
People
true.
like to work with people. People don't necessarily work with companies. So in the hospitality field, we make such good relationships inside our industry offline. It's now time to take those brands online, and every hotel should have a mandate to say, I will select one person from every department, and that person does not need to be the head of the department. Could be anybody who is friendly, who makes relationships and is internet savvy, to be able to become the brand ambassador for that department on Instagram. Number one. The
Sure.
other thing that a hotel must do is to invest in digital assets. Now, let me explain to you before I start my presentation. I want to make this part very clear. This is the foundation because Vijay, you've organized such a good seminar. I don't
Sure.
want to say which have been said in the past 10 years. I don't
Sure.
want to say which are everyday common practice, Google, SEO, and all of that. I want to leave today's conference with people saying, can I do something which can give me results almost immediately? Because people want results, people want to see things. So my topic for today's presentation is going to be the two most crucial things hoteliers can do during these times to come out victorious. Like I said, number one, identify at least 5 personal brands in your organization, invest time and money, get them to work with your social media agency or your teams so that those 5 people understand the power of digital marketing and social media. Vijay, you and I both know when we go to a restaurant or Michelin chef restaurant, a chef can pull in, make or break a restaurant. What a- and but that's only the restaurant. What about a celebrity banquet manager? What about a celebrity front office manager? What about a celebrity bellboy? Why can't we have personal brands in every department? They will all pull in their own crowd that a business will never be able to pull in. Number one. So make
Sure.
personal brands everywhere. Number two, invest in digital assets. Now, without naming many of the hotels, digital assets means that your own website and your own email database has to be the strongest. Now, the one thing that every hotelier has is legally collected email addresses of millions of customers. Most hotels, I'm not talking about some of the big brands who do a great job, but most hoteliers do not have their email address and their email database. That email database tells you Avi Arya is 44 years old. He likes to stay in a on a floor which is at least 18 floors above. He loves to have a sea view room. And I don't like to be woken up. I love to be woken up at 6 o'clock in the morning. All those personalization things, you can actually upload your email address to your Facebook account. Every hotel can upload their email database to their Facebook account, and Facebook will automatically, for free, give you a lookalike audience. If Avi Arya is a high paying customer, I want more Avi Arya type customers, Facebook will look at my email address, scan the entire Facebook database, and get you more customers like me. And you can run ads to other customers like me saying, are you looking for are you always looking to check into a 18th floor and above? You want to see your room? You like to get up early in the morning and go to the gym? Well, we are just the right hotel for you. You can personalize, or you can say, Vijay Bhandari, you tell us what kind of rooms that you like. You already told me through your email address. Facebook only needs your email address. Upload it, and Facebook will look at more people like Vijay Bhandari, and then you can run a different ad to those people. Maybe Vijay doesn't like city hotels, and he likes hotels near resorts only, Goa and Mahabaleshwar and all of that. So if I've got a big chain of hotels, I will not waste my Facebook ad money by showing you ads for Delhi and Bombay hotels, because you are somebody who only likes to go to Mahabaleshwar and Goa and resort hotels.
हाँ,
So I will be able to target you with the right kind of advertising.
क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
This will happen if my website is fine. This will happen if my email addresses are
वो
categorized and then uploaded. If my email database, which is my digital asset of today, is talking to Facebook, is talking to Google, and my ecosystem is working together. In many hotels, I've seen that this ecosystem doesn't talk to each other. Maybe
Sure.
because one brand doesn't allow you to upload on Facebook, or the brand guidelines are made for hotels to do better and better, right?
Sure.
They should now open up everything and have all the channels talking to each other. So these are two things I wanted to say before I start my today's presentation. Number one, consider having at least 5 people in your organization become your become personal brands, because they will bring in more business than any social media campaign can do for you. लोग लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं, कंपनी के लोगों के साथ नहीं. Number one. Number two, a hotel has digital assets. Your website is your digital asset, which will be able to get you direct customers for life. However, the digital assets in terms of the emails that we are collecting, we are not syncing them with other channels. So because of the break in the ecosystem, you are always looking at fresh customers, new acquisition cost, and you're not using the algorithms of Facebook to be able to target the customer, which you already know exists in the market. Show it the right person, the right ad. Number three, when it comes to hotels, we know a hotel customer. Now that you've got a digital asset, say you've got your email address and all of that, I know that I've got my family rooms in my hotels where the mother, father, and two kids check in. Now that family room goes for $650 versus other rooms going for $300. How should I make sure that I get more family room requests? I can very easily target all four people in a family. The son will see a video game ad, video game arcade in my hotel. The daughter will see somebody playing in the pool. The mother will see a family sitting together. A father will see a business center. All four people in a family will see different ads for the same room to be able to make a collaborative decision. I'm not very sure, but I think Disneyland Resort does that very well. Where when you target, my daughter will see a different ad, everybody will see a different ad, and everybody comes and says we want to go to this park at Disneyland. So you make decision making easier when you have your digital assets built in, especially for smaller hotels which have not considered the possibilities and opportunities that are available in the data which is already sitting on your servers. I am saying all you need to do is to become a consultant to your own data. And I'll give you one more example. For example, if you have a hotel, you can say in Goa, right? You have 100 rooms, 200 rooms, whatever. And or you have a hotel in Agra, Delhi, Mexico, London, anywhere. You have a database and you know that people are coming for the motorcycle exhibition that happens in Goa. Some people are coming in only for the night bazaar. Some people are coming in for some adventure activity. Some people are coming to see the military parade. People come for 51,000 reasons to a city. You categorize the top 20 reasons or top 30 reasons that people are coming to your city for, and then you will run ads to people months ahead of time, because you know if I am going for a Harley Davidson to a motorcycle event that happens in one part of the world every year, I'm a loyal fan and my lookalike audience will also be similar Harley Davidson fans, and I want those people to book my rooms ahead of time. But they will not. I don't want to see a Facebook picture with a nice room and a nice pillow. How many variations of pillows, or 8 or 20 or 30 pillows, or a tub in a bathroom can you show me? You show me that I am 4 kilometers away from the Harley Davidson parade, which is going to happen in your city, and you have a special for Harley Davidson fans. Maybe you have a small motorcycle toy waiting for me, or something. You tell me that you know me, and you fill up 10% of your inventory or 20% of your inventory during the Harley Davidson parade, in your hotel. If I am coming to Goa for some, for the sunburn, for example, then my ads, a sunburn ad for me with maybe an image of your hotel photograph with the sunburn written on the bed cover, and one of my favorite music CDs lying over there or whatever, to say we understand music as well as you do, Avi. We are also, our general managers are also going to be there at the sunburn, and we'd love to invite you. This is a sunburn hotel. We've got a van outside which is going to take you. By the way, in with this room, your we always say a transport is included. I don't want transport from the airport. Tell me if from your hotel you're going to take me to sunburn and get me back at 5 o'clock in the morning when I don't want to, when I'll be having partying all night and I want to come back. Tell me that your car will be waiting for me at 5. I will know that you know and you care about the events that I care about from. Then I will care about your hotel. So all these kind of mini personalizations are available on Facebook and Google and Twitter and Instagram and all of that. However, the decision happens through data. And where is the data lying? The data is lying in most of our servers, untouched or not explored the way it should be explored. So I feel that the money, the gold is in the database, and hotels should look at their database and look at these opportunities. So that was the basic that I wanted to say. These are things that I see missing. I'm going to run you through a short presentation, and then I will come back to your I'll come back to Q&A. So can you see my entire screen now?
Yeah, Vijay, we can see that.
Okay, so now I feel, Vijay, regular social media and regular marketing and regular businesses run very different in terms of social media than hotels. Hotels, I feel, are always playing the catching up game. I'm not talking about every hotel. I'm talking about mostly hoteliers are not, take. So I always say one thing: the shortest distance between two human hearts. When you introduce a hotel to somebody else, before I get started, I want to tell you one more thing over here. Uh, bef- Whenever, okay, let me go back and tell you a story. So I was traveling to a resort in Canada many years ago, and though gentleman and the lady, they were about in their 60s, and they insisted that I come at 6 o'clock in the morning so I could see the 6:30, 7 o'clock breakfast. I said, sure, I'd love to come. I went in the morning, I saw the breakfast, and while I was sitting with them, they said, Abhi, I said, how did you guys meet? They said, oh, we were studying in University of Southern California, and we were doing the same course. Then we took 1 year around the world. That's when we fell in love, and all those cities that we went to, we found this place in Canada that we really loved. So we came in over here. Then we got married, and we opened a place called the Catherine coffee shop, and there was a Catherine church over here. So we used to pray to Lord Catherine and all of that. And one day we opened a resort over here and named it the Catherine Resort. And now we have 100 rooms. And all the people who we met during our 1 year travels around the world, all those people still remember us, and around the world people come and they have dinner with us, and they stay with us, and they come to. What a beautiful story. I said, that's a very nice story, and how you started and all of that. Then they said, okay, khana wana ho gaya, let's go into our presentation room. Then they took me into their presentation room when there were two GMs, two everybody, and they gave me the most boring presentation. The presentation was their rooms, their pillows, their bed covers. I said, please hang on. The story that you told me outside was a way better story to put on your website than this story that you're telling me. My hotel is like this, my elevator opens on private floors. All that is fine, these are features. But I feature to feature cost ki ladai hogi or room rate ki ladai hogi. When there's a story, when your hotel can connect with another hotel, you will never have any competition if you have a story. Somebody will connect with your story, somebody will connect with the other hotel story. We need to have stories from our hotels. Number one. Number two, like I said, the brands within the hotel, the general manager story. What does he do in the morning? What does he do in the afternoon? Does he play tennis? What school did he go to? Was there a tragedy in his or her life? How did he continue to keep going? I want to come and then say, Mr. Vijay, you're the general manager of this hotel. I've really heard so much about you when I was booking your hotel. I heard your story. Hats off to you, sir. Would love to stay in your hotel because you're an army veteran, or you were in the army beforehand, or your father was in the army. I don't know. Some story I will have to be able to differentiate yourself. Now, many people may say, फेसबुक, सोशल मीडिया, रेवेन्यू मैनेजमेंट, ऑल ऑफ दैट, इंटरनेट पे हम होटेलियर्स हम रेट्स की लड़ाई लड़ रहे होते हैं. आई एम सेइंग use these elements of storytelling. You will get more loyal fans, more loyal customers, more relatable customers. When a customer comes in, hotel owner, we are as hoteliers, we are very good at telling stories. हम बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं उनका relationship and all of that. But if somebody is trying to search for a different experience, the stories have to be there on the website. That corporatization, I always say, hotelier, I'm a hotelier myself, so I don't want anybody to mind what I'm saying. But I'm saying that we need to maybe loosen our tie a little bit and say, thoda sa chill karte hain. Let's make it more friendly. Let's make it more story wise. Let's make it more for the wife. Let's make it more for the kid. Let's make it more. Those are the hotels that people are wanting to come and stay in today, is what I totally believe in. So I'm coming back to every time I was telling a story, because on my website, on my business card, everywhere I tell a story. On my business card, on my website, I have a short story, because I always say, Vijay, the shortest distance between two human hearts is a story. You want to connect with anybody, tell them a story. And because on the internet, people have less time and attention, so your story has to be catchy and it has to grab people's attention the fastest possible. So I always say, my name is Abhi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, and founder of Internet Moguls. Every hotel and the personal brands must have a story to be able to connect with people. The second point I wanted to say in my presentation was I told you, everybody should become a video influencer. People should become influencers within brands to be able to influence business and grow their sales. Why do I talk about videos? Because enough and more data has shown 80% of the people on the internet are watching videos. So if your hotel does not have video stories online, then sir, you're not getting found. And if you're not getting found, somebody else is getting found. Internet पे काम की कमी कभी नहीं होती है, but we don't have the what people are looking for. Now, as hoteliers, either we are hotel owners or we are hotel consultants or whatever, we are in the hotel field, right? Now, I want to share in this presentation the evolution of a hotelier, the evolution of a hotel consultant, the evolution of a hotel entrepreneur. There was a time, this was the level one entrepreneur. Level one hotelier used to give newspaper ads, magazine ads, banner ads, pamphlet ad, radio ads. And then we used to pray. I've actually seen clients saying, मैं ट्यूसडे के दिन ad निकालूंगा because उस दिन साई बाबा जी का दिन होता है या हनुमान जी का दिन होता है या थर्सडे साई बाबा जी का दिन होता है. I don't know my customer. I don't know when he buys. So I will give the ad whenever I think is right. Level one marketing has stopped working. Then came in level two. Lots of calls, emails, meeting the client. Banquets meeting के लिए team गई हुई है, sales meeting के लिए team गई हुई है. अरे boss, the teams are traveling all over the world. They're having so much cost, expense, and all of that. That is not the best use of money and time in today's day and age. So level two hotelier consulting is not working. Then couple of years ago came level three. Now level three hotelier is using digital marketing and lead magnets and email marketing and landing pages to be able to target the right customer at the right time. But is it working now? I don't think so. What is working right now is the level four video influencer. Now, level four video influencer is somebody who is doing webinars with corporations to be able to close sales without having to travel. They're running Facebook video ads to show the stories of the hotel, sending video emails to close deals, and making landing pages on their website for different customers. If you come to my website, you see if my daughter is coming in, she sees a separate page. My wife coming in, she sees a separate page. The father is coming in, they see a separate page. Every customer should see a separate page with videos on my page. That is the future of hotel marketing. That's the future of social media for hotels. Every single hotel must understand they need to become level 4 video influencers. Now, there are all kinds of video influencers. We all depend on travel video influencers, food video influencers, fitness video influencers, fashion video influencers, spiritual video influencers, tech video influencers, digital video influencers, gaming video influencers, beauty video influencers, photography video influencers. It is now time to create more hospitality video influencers who will grow the business for us from within us. हमारे अंदर से और हॉस्पिटैलिटी वीडियो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स निकलनी चाहिए. नाउ some of the problems of some of the hoteliers that we've identified. यार हमारे को ज्यादा लोग जानते नहीं है. You know, people don't know my brand or they don't know I've got a new floor with 10 new suites. मेरे customers को ये नहीं पता कि I've got 10 new villas. People don't know you. ओके बिकॉज आज की डेट में जो दिखता है वो बिकता है और दिखने के लिए सोशल मीडिया है और अगर आप उस पर नहीं होते देन नोबडी नोज यू राइट. जो पुराना बिजनेस चल रहा है वो चल रहा है बट नोबडी नोज यू. द न्यू बिजनेस वर्ल्ड इज नॉट ओपन टू यू. Number two, we are not getting enough leads for our banquets. We are not getting enough leads for weddings. Okay. Number three, my sales team does not have a pipeline of 10 big weddings, 10 big office conferences. और अगर आपके पास अगर आप बड़े होटल हो 2-4 करोड़ की पाइपलाइन नहीं है आपके पास, then आपका नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर का रिजल्ट आज ही फाइनल हो गया. So how do you solve these problems? I'll give you 3 very simple things that people are doing in other industries, and I wish this happens in the hospitality industry. Number 1, so Avi, I've got no followers. My company has nothing. I don't even have budgets after COVID. No problem, sir. You have a Facebook account. You have an Instagram account. Use the video influencer turner wheel system. It's a very simple system. It's got 3 components. Every morning, ask your customers what they want. Every afternoon, go live from your hotel. And every evening, repurpose the content. Number 1, as a marketer, I ask problems. What are your sales and branding and outreach problems? You can ask people, what are the cities that you're wanting to travel to? What is the kind of rooms that you're looking for? What is your next vacation looking like? Do a survey every morning. And then in the afternoon, your personal brand in your hotel. I told you, let's create 5 personal brands in every hotel. That personal brand goes and says that person goes live on Facebook or Instagram. and they answer travelers' questions. You want to come to Goa? Okay, this is what you can do. He's not selling the hotel. He's answering questions based on that location, and he's an expert in that location. After you finished 1 hour of being live on Instagram, you have answered at least 10 questions. Now you have 1 hour of content. Put that content on IGTV, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, and your podcast. And by the end of the day, you will have your Facebook page, you will have your Instagram page, you will have your YouTube, you'll have your LinkedIn, you'll have your TikTok, and you do not need to depend on an agency or anybody to do this work for you. All of this is absolutely free. I'm giving you this presentation during COVID times. I understand times are tough, and I know people want to do things which they've never done before. All of this can be done by hotels themselves. So that was the video influencer turner wheel system. Survey in the morning, afternoon you go live, in the evening you repurpose your content. I promise you, we've done this over 12,000 times. You do this with any brand for 28 days, and I promise you, at the end of 28 days, you will start seeing results. Secret number 2, which we say, what are the second things you need to do? Abhi, we don't get leads. What happens? For leads, we used to travel. We used to travel to different cities, give presentations to corporations and everywhere. Nobody wanted to travel even then. We were doing a sin by spending so much time away. Time is the most important commodity we have on the planet, and we spent most of our time growing our careers and our hotels and our businesses, spending that time away from the family, when most of those calls could have happened on videos as well. Somehow, because of COVID, now a lot of people have understood the value of time, and they want to do things on videos. And I'm going to tell you how you can get your leads from your prospects wherever they are on videos. Number 1, this is called the video lead generation funnel. 3 videos. 1 is the lead magnet video, 2nd is the website video, 3rd is the remarketing video. You create 3 videos and you'll be able to get leads from any city, any segment of the industry from going online. What is a lead magnet video? A lead magnet video is a video that is a magnet video that gets you leads. So I'm giving you an example right now. I created a lead magnet video. I created an 8,000 word guide for people to create videos to get business. Now, only those people who want to do video social media marketing will download it. Otherwise, they will not. So I will give this guide for free on the internet. People who will download it will in exchange give me their phone number and their email address. Now I can remarket to them my plans and my offers. Correct? So I'll tell you how I made my lead magnet video and how much money we made from this one company, one campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the internet's biggest guide on how you can use videos to create your own online course. Tell your husband, wife, mother, father, best friend, whoever is going to be with you right now, tell them that I have found right now the internet's biggest guide to video creation and making your online courses. Here you'll have a checklist, you have formats, you have systems, you have the step-by-step guide to go through every tool. Anything that you need to create your online course is available in this article. And for whatever reason, if you need more information, come to my Facebook community, Learn Social Media with Abhi Arya. Learn Social Media with Abhi Arya. Drop in your question. Abhi, I've read the internet's biggest guide on how to create video courses. I need more information, and I will give you more and more and more information. Anything that you need, me and my family and my team are here to do for you. My name is Abhi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, and founder of Internet Moguls, welcoming you to the internet's biggest guide on how to create videos and your online course. Read till the very end and let me know how you liked it. Thank you. Okay, so what did I do? I put this lead magnet video and I put it on Facebook. And when people clicked on the video, they came to my website. And on the website, they found one more video. Welcome to this guide. I am saying this is one of the internet's biggest guides on how you can create an online course. All you need to do is understand that आपकी life में you're 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, 104. At any age, life will give you one thing, which is your experience. And you can use your experience. So I created a lead magnet video. I then got them on my website. They saw the video again. And I told them what the guide is about. They downloaded the guide for free. And I was able to get, in 30 days, we were able to collect 40,339 emails 40,339 people who are prospects of the video social media program that I have. Right now, what do I do with these 40,000 leads? I remarket to them. Now, out of the millions of people on the internet, I'm now able to narrow down 40,000 people. इन्होंने मेरी guide download करी है. That means they want something from me. They're interested in the subject. Now I made a remarketing video. I made one more video, and this video was targeted only to those 40,000 people. मैंने सबको हटा के सिर्फ 40,000 पे आ गया, and I created one more video. And in this video, I sold them what they can get from me as a service to be able to help them with their video social marketing. And in that 1 month's time, the next one, with this campaign, we made a total earning of 11,43,209 rupees. 11 lakh rupees from one campaign. Yes, I spent 3.5 lakh rupees on Facebook ads. So we made about 7 lakh rupees in net profit. Next, with the same, now I've got leads. I continued the video. Now, all of you people as hoteliers, you want people to talk to, you want to talk to travel agents, you want to showcase something to them, you want to showcase something to corporates, or you want to showcase something to history lovers because your hotel is in Agra. You want to showcase something to honeymoon people because a lot of people are going to get married. You want to showcase something to beach lovers, Harley Davidson motorcycle lovers. You can have a separate webinar for a separate topic to say how your hotel in Goa or your hotel in Agra is gearing up for that next event. Run an ad on Facebook, call people who are interested in that kind of biking event. And by doing all of these things, I was able to get 80,613 people in my webinars in the last 6 months. Last 6 months, I've been doing webinars non-stop. I've been doing webinars for the last 1 year, but the last 6 months has been non-stop. 80,000 people came into the webinar because I gave different people a different angle as to why they should listen to me about my social media marketing. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of my presentation. I wanted to make a solid point, and I hope I've been able to make it. I've been a hotelier for the longest time. I'm going to close this presentation and stop sharing so everybody can see my. Yeah, I want to come back without the presentation. I want to say one thing. I've been a hotelier for a very long time. I've not worked in one of the big brand chains, but I've been a hotelier. I've worked with hoteliers for the last 10 years. I built a company from 4 people to 200 people doing only hotels, restaurants. I understand when we have cash flow problems. I understand when our targets are not met. When you people are unhappy, I am unhappy. When you're going through a tension time, we're going through tension time because our agency has done only hotels. But it's time for me to take the opportunity that amazing human beings like Vijay Bhandari are giving to us to make this message clear. What was working 10 years ago is not going to work. And with all respect, I'm saying our hospitality in industry in India is not at par with at using social media the way other industries are doing it. Not by far. At best, it's 25 on a scale of 100. We need to understand we have personal brands within the organization who need to become influencers. We need to start telling more stories, and we need to start using our digital assets. These 3 things are being done by other industries. Just go and see other case studies, and I promise you we will bounce back faster than ever because we already have the know-how, we already have the database, and we already have the customer service. That's it from now from me. My name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, and founder of Internet Moguls. Thanking you for your time, everyone.
Thank you, Avijit. This was really an amazing section. What we do, I will request all the audience to post their questions either in chat box or a Q&A section. Avijit, we have a first question from Anirudh. Hi, do you think spending on digital assets will give ROI which is comparable to OTA? They got huge marketing spend. Can we match that?
And OTA, you will never know the kind of customers that are coming from your. See, eventually you have your own database, which will allow you to see if you get. So, for example, if you're getting 40%, 30% share from the OTAs, and if by targeting your own customers, you are able to reduce that by 10%. For that, you will have to spend maybe a 10% to get them. But in the very short run, you'll be able to get that money back. I mean, it's an endless cycle. Okay, OTAs are taking us. OTAs have endless budgets because we spend zero money. हमने कभी समझने की कोशिश नहीं करी कि हम कर क्या सकते हैं मार्केटिंग में. And OTAs are amazing at marketing, at segmentation of their database. We need to learn that to have a healthy mix and bring back some business to our own website.
Right. Our second question is from a gentleman who owns a hotel in Gurgaon. I have a 80-room independent hotel in Gurgaon. It's a 3-star category, and down the line they are intent to tie up with the brand. But do you recommend us to invest in a digital marketing now, and what budget should allocate for it? So currently he's a hotelier without a brand or is a standalone hotel, and he intend to tie up with the brand 6 months down the line or 3 months or down the line.
You
But
must talk
you,
to my friend Vijay Bhandari. He will help you
yeah,
to connect with the best brands and make sure your hotel does well.
sure. Yeah.
But in terms of digital marketing, see, the thing is, I always say one thing. There was a ballpark figure, 6% of your revenue has to go into marketing and all of that. So, aisa koi fixed revenue, you need to say how many rooms you want to sort of fill, and at what cost. If you're getting a room at 40%, that is a lot of money. You can definitely allocate 15% for the next 20 rooms. For example, you have 100 rooms and 40 rooms are coming from 40 rooms are coming at 40%. Keep an allocation of selling at least 20 rooms at 20%. अब वो 20% आपके लिए कॉस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए because आप उसमें भी 20% बचा रहे हो. So calculate how many rooms you want to sell from digital and that 20% cost to sell a room at least, and then we can work. Then you can work backwards.
Okay, great. The second question, the next question is from Santosh. Is there any particular type of video to start with?
Boss, videos to simple सी बात ये है. You stand in your hotel lobby and you say, my name is Avi Arya. This is my small 80-room hotel. I started when my father came back from London. He was working for the British Army. He came back and the hotel is called Maharani Palace because he always loved my mom and he always called her Maharani. This was the story of my dad and my mom, their love story. And after that, we made 80 rooms. Today, I am running the hotel and I'd like to show you what I can do for you. Because of my dad and mom's love story, especially for honeymooners and people who are renewing their vows, if you're having an anniversary, 20th, 30th, 40th anniversary, I promise you, because I want to pay tribute to my dad's legacy, we'll take care of you because that's what we believe in. That husband and wife team are made to win. कोई ऐसा सब heartfelt दिल से वीडियो जो आपकी एक स्टोरी के साथ कनेक्ट करता है. I don't want to say hello, hi, my name is Avi Arya. 84 rooms है मेरे पास, 2 बैंक्वेट है, 3 ये है. हम होटेलियर्स को लगता है सारी दुनिया होटेलियर्स हैं, हम बात भी ऐसी करते हैं.
Sure.
50 पैक्स आ जाएंगे, 25 का ग्रुप आ जाएगा, लोगों को पता पैक्स भी नहीं पता होता क्या है. Let's keep it simple and tell stories about who you are, कहां से आए, क्या किया. Two human beings 100 साल पहले हम जब मिलते थे किसी डेजर्ट में, किसी रेगिस्तान में, किसी गांव में, या आज हम किसी फैंसी होटल की लॉबी में मिलते हैं, सबसे पहले यही बात करते हैं, कहां से हो आप, पीछे कहां से हो, कौन से शहर से हो, मॉम डैड कहाँ है, बच्चे क्या है, एक रिलेशनशिप. अच्छा, आप लखनऊ से हो, मैं भी लखनऊ से हो. अगर आप कहते हो नहीं मैं लखनऊ में नहीं हूं, मैं लखनऊ में सिर्फ पढ़ा था, अच्छा मैंने पिक्चर में एक बार लखनऊ के बारे में देखा था, सुना है बड़ा अच्छा शहर है, तो वहां कनेक्शन नहीं बना. देन आई आस्क यू, विजय, यू गॉट अ चिल्ड्रन, आप बोलोगे नहीं बच्चे नहीं है मेरे. ओके, शादी हो गई, हाँ जी शादी हो गई. लव मैरिज, हाँ लव मैरिज, हाँ वहां मैं कनेक्शन. अच्छा यार, आई ऑल्सो, हाउ डिड दैट हैपन. दैट्स हाउ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स डू बिजनेस. आपकी और मेरी स्टोरी के बीच में कहीं एक रिलेशन बनता है, उसके बाद हम बिजनेस करना शुरू करते हैं. The know, like, trust and buy. First you have to know a brand, then you have to like a brand, then you have to trust it, and then you'll buy it. Same happens. जो ये वीडियो जिन्होंने पूछा मैं उनके जवाब दे रहा हूँ. तो आप ये सोचो कि आप how will you get to know that person. अपनी कहानी सुनाओ. Don't sell anything. Just tell a story, and that will be your video.
Sure. The next question is from Mr. Gaurav Sharma. Does the same strategy apply for restaurant and banquet business?
It applies for every business where you're expecting human beings to come in. स्पेशली रेस्टोरेंट्स में तो लोग, अभी एक मेक्सिको में रेस्टोरेंट था जो मैंने किसी की मैं पढ़ रहा था, माय गॉड दैट रेस्टोरेंट बिकेम मिशेलिन पता नहीं क्या क्या स्टार. वो अपनी राइस कौन से दूसरे शहर से लेके आते हैं और उस राइस में जो फार्मर है, वो फार्मर को उन्होंने कितना हेल्प किया और उसके बच्चे बाहर पढ़ने चले गए, वो सारी कहानी उन्होंने दीवारों पे लगाई हुई है. तो मैं तो यही खाऊंगा. मैं उसकी राइस के ऊपर उन्होंने इतनी बड़ी कहानी बना दिया. वो मान गए बॉस, स्टोरी टेलिंग मैं सिखाता हूँ, आप तो कहीं और ले गए किसी और लेवल पे. और रेस्टोरेंट में यू कैन मेक अ स्टोरी ऑफ एवरी डिश. ये डिश कहाँ से आई? विजय एंड अभी एक दिन रात को मन बना तो हम लोग जयपुर चले गए। जयपुर गए और वहां जाके हमने देखा कि रात ठंड पड़ रही थी एंड पीपल वो मटके में वो राजमा चावल बना के, हमने उसको बोला ये इतना स्वाद कैसे है, तो उसने बोला मैं मटके में ऐसे कोई रखता हूँ ऐसे। आई एम मेकिंग अ स्टोरी। विजय और मैं अभी तक गए नहीं, हम जाएंगे जरूर कभी।
Sure.
तो हमने वो देखा, विजय और मैं वापस आए और हमने कहा विजय वी शुड ओपन अ रेस्टोरेंट, और हमने रेस्टोरेंट खोला और हमने उसमें से ये डिश रखी, दिस इज कॉल्ड द जयपुर ट्रिप। इसलिए उस डिश का नाम ही जयपुर ट्रिप है। पीपल वुड लाइक टू नो बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी एंड दे विल से यार ये स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है, अच्छा 2 ऑर्डर कर दीजिए। आपका जब वेटर, आपका स्टूवर्ड जब जाके बताएगा सर ये जयपुर ट्रिप है, बेसिकली हमारे जो 2 ओनर्स थे मिस्टर विजय एंड मिस्टर अभी, दे वेंट टू जयपुर, उन्होंने ऐसे किया, वो हांडी में बन रहा था, वो ले आए और ये वहां की डिश है, वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई? क्यों मना करेगा कोई आदमी? स्टोरी
Amazing.
टेलिंग हैपेंस एवरीवेयर।
Thank you. Our next question is from Mr. Samir Gupta. How does one capture this preference from social media as we have thousands of clients to cater? How does one capture this preference from social media as we have thousands of clients to cater?
दैट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन समीर। सिंपल सी बात है, you have to segment your database. First, you obviously want to go after high paying clients, or you want to go after clients जो कम से कम साल में high frequency clients, या high paying या high frequency। उसमें आप पहले बड़ी बड़ी segmentation मोटा मोटा तो इसी में हो जाता है। Then उसमें आप देखते हो, is this a solo business traveler? Is this a person who's coming with his wife? Is this somebody who's coming with his wife and children? कौन लोग हैं ये? जब आप अपनी 4 segments, 4 से 5 segments निकाल लोगे of your high paying high frequency customers, then you will go to Facebook or Google or Instagram or any of these channels and see कि ये जो मेरा कस्टमर अवतार है, एक मिस्टर विजय है, और विजय is 30 years old, Vijay's wife is 30 years old, Vijay's got 2 children, Vijay works in the hospitality industry, Vijay is busy 300 days of the year, Vijay को बड़ी मुश्किल से साल में 3 छुट्टी मिलती है, जो भी, और Vijay likes cycling और Vijay likes motorcycles, और whatever is your customer avatar, आई थिंक एवरी होटल शुड, पीछे एक बड़ी सी दीवार में सारे कंपनी को पता होना चाहिए हमारा कस्टमर अवतार कौन है। आई एम श्योर मेरे लोग करते भी होंगे, बट स्टैंड अलोन होटल शायद ये नहीं करते। मेरा कस्टमर अवतार, यू शुड नो योर कस्टमर अवतार लाइक यू नो योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड। आपको कोई फोन करके बोले कि आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने ये कर दिया, बोलो हो ही नहीं सकता, आई नो हिम टू वेल। उतनी अच्छी तरीके से आपको अपने कस्टमर के बारे में पता होना चाहिए। अभी होली हो रही है, आई थिंक होली के टाइम ना वो परेशान हो गया होगा, वो दिल्ली में नहीं रहना चाहता, वो मैं जानता हूँ, वो बहुत बिजी है, वो निकलना चाहता है, इसलिए वो मेरे जयपुर वाले मेरे रिजॉर्ट में आएगा। तो आपका एड ही ऐसे चलेगा, इट्स टाइम टू गेट अवे, 15 दिन रह गए, बुक योर ट्रिप टू माय होटल, गेट आउट ऑफ दिल्ली इन होली, यू नो दिल्ली गोज क्रेजी, पागल हो जाते हैं सब लोग। यू नो हिम सो वेल। दिवाली पे आपको पता है वो क्या करना चाहते हैं, क्रिसमस पे क्या करना चाहते हैं, ठंड बढ़ती है तो वो क्या करना चाहते हैं, गर्मी कम होती है तो क्या करते हैं। तो योर प्रेफरेंसेस विल कम फ्रॉम अंडरस्टैंडिंग योर हाई पेइंग क्लाइंट और योर हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी क्लाइंट, देन यू ब्रेक देम डाउन इनटू देयर कंप्लीट डेमोग्राफिक्स, वो कितने साल का है, क्या लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स प्रेफरेंसेस। अगर आपको नहीं पता, आपने दरबान से पूछिए, आपको नहीं पता उस ड्राइवर से पूछिए जो उसको पिक करके ड्रॉप करके लेके आता है, अगर आपको नहीं पता अपने स्टूवर्ड से, हाउसकीपिंग वाले से पूछिए कि ये वाला जो कस्टमर है वो कहता है सर रात को गोल्ड फ्लेक्स जरूर मंगाते हैं और खाना हमारे ब्रेकफास्ट यहीं खाते हैं लेकिन डिनर बाहर से खाते हैं वो पैसे बचाने के लिए, और यू विल अंडरस्टैंड उसकी बाइंग हैबिट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। And then once you know the interests, likes and dislikes, then you will go to Facebook and you will match his likes and dislikes with all the matching possibilities, and you will be zapped. Facebook will know your customer better than anything else, and then you can show the right ad to the right customer.
Amazing. Our next question is from Mr. Ganesh. What should be the ideal length of a video for marketing campaign?
सी डिपेंड करता है, आप 3 घंटे की पिक्चर भी देखते हो आमिर खान की, जॉनी डेप की, अगर स्टोरी अच्छी होती है, और 5 सेकंड में बंद भी कर देते हो अगर स्टोरी अच्छी नहीं होती। इट्स ऑल अबाउट द स्टोरी, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द स्टोरी। आप जितनी भी अच्छी स्टोरी बनाओ लोग देखेंगे, बट डोंट मेक इट अ मार्केटिंग, डोंट मेक इट सेल्स, टेल अ स्टोरी। उसमें अपने आप लोग आपसे जुड़ जाते हैं। तो हम सबसे पहले ये करते हैं, लेकिन आरओआई तो तभी आएगा ना जब उसमें अच्छा प्राइस तो लिख दो कमरे का, तो कुछ तो बता दो। 2 नाइट्स 3 डेज तो बोल दो। आप तो वीडियो में कुछ भी नहीं करने देते। मैं कहता हूँ कुछ मत करो वीडियो में, बस कहानी सुनाओ, लोग अपने आप नीचे कमेंट्स में बोलेंगे हाउ कैन आई गेट इन टच विद यू।
Great. Again, the next question is from Ganesh only. What are the tools that you recommend, advise to make a video presentable, branded, and eye-catching?
There's a tool called Canva, CANVA, and there is another tool called InVideo, INVIDEO। दोनों टूल्स के 15-15 दिन के फ्री ट्रायल वर्जन्स मिलते हैं, उसमें आपको आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो। किसी, you don't need anybody to do that for you.
Sure. Our next question is from Rubal. Do you think social media can replace the personal touch that an Indian community wants?
नो नो नॉट एट ऑल. क्या टीवी से भी वो पर्सनल टच नहीं गया, मूवी से भी नहीं गया. आज की यू वी आर ऑल प्रेइंग फॉर अमिताभ बच्चन. मिले हो कभी अमिताभ बच्चन को?
True.
बट पर्सनल टच आया ना, बिकॉज वो आपको कहानियां सुना रहे इतने सालों से. व्हाट अबाउट रेडियो? हम किसी पॉलिटिशियंस के लिए बोलते हैं या ये जीत जाए, ये हार जाए, हम उनको कभी मिले नहीं है. बट दे
True.
मेड अ पर्सनल टच थ्रू मीडिया ओनली. सोशल मीडिया इज द सेम. वो बड़े टीवी की जगह छोटा टीवी आ गया. द थिंग इज द सेम. यस, यू कैन मेक इट हैपन. पर्सनल टच का मजा ही कुछ और है, बट पर्सनल टच तक लाने के लिए तो फिर ये चैनल्स ही यूज करने पड़ेंगे.
Great. Our next question is from Mr. Amit Ahuja. What kind of video should be made by Budget Hotel? Also, what should be the frequency of posting such videos?
I think you should post at least 3 times a day. एंड वी शुड वही कैनवा टूल यूज कीजिए, इन वीडियो टूल यूज कीजिए और स्टोरी सुनाइए. और डोंट वरी मेरा वीडियो अच्छा है, मेरा वीडियो अच्छा नहीं है, कौन बताएगा? मार्केट, लेट द मार्केट डिसाइड इफ योर प्रोडक्ट इज गुड और नॉट. डोंट आस्क योर फ्रेंड, डोंट आस्क योर नेबर, डोंट आस्क योर कजन जिसका छोटा बेटा बाहर से सोशल मीडिया का कोर्स करके आया है. किसी से मत पूछिए, आप अपने कस्टमर से पूछिए उनको वीडियो कैसा लगा. नोबडी एल्स नीड्स टू टेल यू हाउ दैट वीडियो इज.
Okay. Our next question is again from Mr. Samir Gupta. How does one capture this I work with a private member club, so I have a ready pool of database and have personal relationship with them. However, we'll still notice that 28% of our member actually use it. How do I change that? I work
Okay.
with a private club, so I have a ready pool of database, have a personal relationship with them. However, we still notice that 28% of our members actually use it. How do I change that?
See, मैंने जो देखा है प्राइवेट क्लब्स में, वी वर्क विद मेनी ऑफ दीज प्राइवेट क्लब्स, दे आर ग्रेट. आई लव द कॉन्सेप्ट. मेंबरशिप होता है, एक्सक्लूसिविटी होती है, सिर्फ मेरे पास है, दूसरे के पास नहीं है, उस टाइप का एक मेंबरशिप क्लब बनता है, व्हिच इज वेरी गुड. सी, द आइडिया इज you have to, anything in marketing, you have to go back to human psychology. What do we like? हमको अच्छा लगता है. आप मेरे को, अगर मैं किसी प्राइवेट क्लब में बिलोंग करता हूं और मैं विजय को बता ही नहीं सकता कि विजय आपको पता है मेरे पास क्या है, आप चलो कभी आओगे ना वैंकूवर में, आपको यहाँ लेके, अगर मैं उसके बारे में शो ऑफ ही नहीं कर सकता अपने 4 कॉलीग्स को, 4 दोस्तों को, तो उस क्लब का फायदा क्या है? नंबर 1. नंबर 2, that if you have, I've seen many clubs have a referral system that Vijay, if I want to be part of the club, so only if my friend Vijay gives me a invitation, because Vijay is already a member, only then I can come in. So I have seen buddy system, buddy partnering system जब बन जाता है ना, तो लोग गोल्फ भी खेलने जाते हैं क्योंकि मेरा दोस्त जा रहा है और मेरा कजन जा रहा है, हम 2 लोगों ने मिलकर मेंबरशिप ली है. So then the show up rate also increases. So maybe you'll have to create a kind of a buddy system or a referral buddy system where 2 people have to come together and both of them get some benefits and it becomes like a partnership. Like आज की डेट में बिजनेस मास्टरमाइंड्स होते हैं. मैं मास्टरमाइंड में क्यों पार्ट लेता हूं? क्योंकि मुझे पता है 10 और बिजनेस वाले होंगे, मैं उनसे कुछ ना कुछ सीखूंगा. आई विल पे यू अ फीस to be part of a mastermind so that every week when we have calls, we're able to learn from each other. So to be able to increase the show up rate, number 1, make a partner in buddy system, and number 2, create a sort of a mastermind around their likes and dislikes. It could be golf, it could be the theory of golf, it could be the theory of entrepreneurship. So you could say every week we are having some special people coming and giving you lectures, and like a BNI setup, but in a very exclusive format. That's when maybe people will start coming in more. Because if you should, अगर show up rate कम है, इसका मतलब maybe that private membership club is only for one thing, which is for relaxing. और मेरे को अभी काम करना है, मैं वो relax नहीं करना. But maybe you can say once a week there's a business guru who you can sit and ask questions from. और वो business guru वैसे 1 लाख रुपए घंटा देते हैं और यहाँ सबके members के लिए available है. So you will say मेरा काम भी हो जाएगा और मैं शाम को 2 drink भी पी लूंगा. So मेरा show up rate बढ़ जाएगा because now you're serving 2 of my needs instead of 1.
The next question, the name is not visible. They're asking which is better, Facebook or Instagram?
It's the same company. It's absolutely the same. Both of them are the same. Both of them have amazing targeting features.
Which video? Okay, this question is again asked by Ganesh. Which video in the hospitality industry has turned your head? In which hospitality brand, according to you, are working a lot more on a video marketing?
I think it is वाज इट Accor? मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा, जिन्होंने वो निकाला था सॉफ्ट बेड वाला, एंड दे हैड अ नाइस टेडी बेयर ऑन अ बेड, एंड दे मेड अ कार्टून कि टेडी बेयर रात को सो जाता है, सुबह उठता है। दैट वो दिल को छूने वाला वीडियो था। उसको
Heavenly
देख
video,
के
heavenly bad. Yeah,
Heavenly Bed, I think it was.
yeah.
That video, you were like, yaar, you know, it's an emotional story. And then there was another hotel which posted a video कि उनके रिजॉर्ट में एक कोई छोटा एक फैमिली आई थी जिसमें एक बच्चा अपना छोटा सा टॉय छोड़ गया था, टेडी बेयर। तो
Yeah.
उन्होंने, और वो शायद रिजॉर्ट ऐसा था कि 3 दिन तक कोई कोरियर नहीं जा रहा था, समथिंग लाइक दैट। तो उन्होंने वो टेडी बेयर को झूले पे झुलाया, उसका वीडियो बनाया, उस टेडी बेयर को स्विमिंग पूल के साथ बिठाया, वीडियो बनाया, और रोज वो वीडियो उस बच्चे को भेजते थे कि तुम्हारा टेडी बेयर हमारे साथ ठीक है, वी आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हिम। और 3 दिन के बाद जब वो कोरियर भेज सके और समथिंग ऐसी कोई स्टोरी थी, उन्होंने भेज दिया। Now that video has to go viral.
Sure. Our next question is from Jaydeep Ahuja. He's asking, I have a brand which is into corporate hotels and cater 90% corporates. Now, in this scenario, when the major corporates are still shut down, how marketing will be able to cover that?
Yeah, I know Jaideep. I think Jaideep is from Ahuja Residency. It's one of a very good brand. And obviously, it's a great market that he has been catering to with very good reviews and everything. So, Jaideep, what I feel is that a definition of a corporate will change. Corporate will not be a multi-million dollar company. I will also be a corporate with 200 people in my team. Vijay will also be a corporate. Everybody will become a corporate for you. Now, when all small companies and startups are also seen as corporates by your marketing team, then you can very easily go online and target them on your Instagram ads or your Facebook ads and show them the right deal at the right time. इंटरनेट पे हम जाते हैं, हम कहते हैं यार शायद भगवान चाहता था मैं गोवा जाऊं, कल ही सोच रहा था और सुबह ऐड देख लिया। बॉस कल सोच रहे थे, गलती से गोवा की एक इमेज पे क्लिक कर दिया होगा, उसके बाद आपको द होल इंटरनेट नोज, the whole marketing team of every company knows how to target you. So think of every small business like a corporation, and then you will find data of those corporations online, and to be able to target to them and all of that. It's a game changer. It's a game changer, and I don't know. Maybe the silver lining is corporate से payment 60 days बाद आती है और ये payment पहले आ जाएगी आपके पास.
Avijit, I think we are done with most of the Q&A. I have asked all the question which is posted on the chat and the Q&A section. So any ending note from your side?
My ending note is only one thing, that for the last 10 years I've said one thing. मेरा business card पे मैंने लिखा था, अभी कहाँ है मेरे पास? Yeah, I wrote it on my business card 10 years ago. जिनको भी मैं मिला हूँ, ये मेरा business card है. इसमें मैंने 10 साल पहले एक चीज लिखी थी, आज भी वही चीज है, मैंने change नहीं किया है. Social media is the biggest opportunity in the history of business. This is a very bold statement that I make, and you can reach out to any customer with a personalized message anywhere in the world, and you can track, if you opened your email, if you saw your video, and track the return on investment on every single penny. The problem is, Vijay, in our hospitality industry, हम लोग सब कुछ एजेंसी के ऊपर छोड़ देते हैं. हम लोगों ने ऑपरेशंस के लिए, हम हॉस्पिटैलिटी स्कूल गए हैं 4-4 साल. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, अगर आज हमारे बिजनेस का 50 to 60% बिजनेस है, ओटीएस से 30-40% बिजनेस आता है, 10% इधर उधर, तो 50% बिजनेस अगर आपका ऑनलाइन से आ रहा है, so should you not invest time and invest time of your team to do online courses, digital marketing courses? Don't hire an agency till you yourself have not done a course, because you don't then know what to ask an agency. ये सब, वो तो इस लाइक गोइंग टू अ डॉक्टर, वो जो दवाई दे देगा हम ले लेंगे, 3 महीने नहीं चलेगी तो डॉक्टर ही बदलते रहेंगे. और हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में यही होता है, एजेंसीज बदलती रहती है, बिकॉज एजेंसी को पता नहीं आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको पता नहीं एजेंसी को क्या चाहिए. होटेलियर सेज आई वांट मनी, आई वांट आरओआई, दैट्स इट, मुझे नहीं पता. अच्छा, आरओआई एंड दोस इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर नॉट दिस थिंग. सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ माय पार्टिंग नोट्स. प्लीज इन्वेस्ट इन एजुकेशन of the, especially hotel owners and operations, the senior operations head. They should go for a hospitality digital marketing course, understand the whole course, come back and do that refresher course within a year. Then they will see, once hoteliers are very smart people, they take bank loans, they know how to do funding, they know how to do operations, they know how to get a brand, they know everything. ये तो छोटी सी बात है. इतना सा टाइम लगाएंगे तो इतना ज्यादा रिजल्ट मिलेगा. सो माय ओनली सबमिशन टू एवरी होटेलियर इज, प्लीज रिमेंबर योर वीडियोस आर योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. प्लीज रिमेंबर यू कैन टारगेट एनी कस्टमर ऑनलाइन, एंड every kind of business opportunity is ROI positive and available on the internet.
Thank you, Avijit. Thanks a lot for your time. It's really great of you to take a time and do this session. I believe like a lot of hoteliers who are joining this session will have got a lot of insight from you. And from Noises Capital and from behalf of all our complete team, I thank you and thanks a lot for your time.
Not at all, Vijay. Thank you very much for putting such a great event together.
Thank
Anytime
you.
I can get any help, always a
Sure.
phone call.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Avi, for your
All the
time.
best.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.